Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we'll highlight 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is TopDon's Ultra Diag Moto, which features coverage for over 80 motorcycle brands, including Honda, Harley, and BMW. It offers full system scanning, bidirectional control, maintenance resets, component adaptations, advanced calibrations, and wireless connectivity. Next is Koken's impact wheel nut sockets, which feature a detachable plastic protector that can be fitted to the socket to prevent damage to the wheel when working in tight spaces. Each socket has its size and Koken mark clearly printed on the shaft, making it easy to see if the socket is still rotating or stopped. Our third tool is the Lang Tools Brake Spring Fork Tool, designed for quickly and safely installing and removing return springs on commercial trucks and trailers with air brakes with an S-cam design. The next tool is the Mayhew Tools 21-piece punch and chisel foam set. It is made from alloy steel with a black oxide finish for corrosion resistance and durability. The chisels feature a sharp cutting edge, while the punches are precision CNC machined. The set is made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty. Finally, our last tool is Chicago Pneumatic's CP8 323 cordless tire buffer, which features a compact design, weighing in at only 1.16 kilograms. It features 2 speed settings, 0 to 1200 RPM and 2500 RPM for precise drilling and buffing. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.